The Materials Manager is where you set which materials are available. This filters what products are shown in Product Selection. In this video, you will learn how to use the Materials Manager. On the left, each product line is displayed. Select one to see the series in that product line. The product series can be set as available or not available by turning the checkbox on and off. You can edit each series, or expand the series to edit individual products. You'll see the series checkbox change to a dash to indicate changes were made to the individual products. But why are some products color-coded? The colors indicate material availability for your area. This helps you only select products that you can order. The zip or postal code from your user profile is used by default in this field. Products in the list are then color-coded to show you what is available by special order or what is unavailable in that area. At the top, there are two buttons, Select All and Unselect All. These only apply to the selected product line. It will turn all the product series and individual products on or off in that product line. Next to those buttons, there is another, Reset Selections. This will update the selected products based on the material availability in the specified zip or postal code for all product lines. Special order and unavailable products will be turned off, and any available product will be turned on. You can see what will be updated in the dialog after you click the button. Keep in mind that there is no undo available, so be sure you want to do something before you do it, especially using those buttons. When you are done in the Materials Manager, return to the previous view by selecting back. If you need more information about the Materials Manager, launch help or chat with someone on our support team.